this overboard now. I want you to.
Guys, so it's your girl Bianca and I'm back with another video. And today I'm with my special mother. Yes. So we are about to be prepping for Thanksgiving, and yes, this is the night before Thanksgiving, so we're gonna be prepping our meals. We're gonna, be seasoning them, putting them in the refrigerator and letting it marinate, so the morning of Thanksgiving we'll be cooking it. That's what my family do. I don't know about other families, but we do that. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're back and we have our two first meats with us. I'm gonna be preparing the jerk pork and my mother is going to be preparing
the curry goat.
So it's so annoying when you go to the farmer's market and you tell them to chop up your meat small, but they chop it up big instead. So I'm going to be cutting up the jerk pork a little bit smaller, and then my mom is going to be, what are you going to do, season it now?
No, I'm going to cut up the goat meat a little bit.
She's going to cut the goat meat a little bit smaller too. So we got pork shoulder. Well, I got pork shoulder for my my jerk pork. And I'm just cutting the meat up a little bit smaller because you can't eat jerk pork this big. No, sweetie. That is not what we do.
I'm gonna wash the goat meat. Wash it with some vinegar.
I just finished cutting up the jerk pork, so I'm about to wash that in some vinegar too. I'm rinsing some water on it. So with my jerk pork, I usually use garlic powder. So this is about to put some in here.
Okay. Also put some garlic.
Then I'm going to use Maggi. I usually use Goya season total, but I'm going to use all-purpose with this Maggi. So let's see.
Okay. And also for the curry goat, we're going to use the better pack.
Put a little bit
Maggi season
of scallion seasoning. I'm gonna put scallion in it already. Ooh. This is my mom seasoning the curry goat. This is how it looks. This is my jerk pork. I'm not finished yet. Still have some more seasonings that I have to put in. Okay, so with my jerk pork, I'm gonna put some browning on it to just get the jerk pork some color to it. To get it that dark color, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Because the jerk pork will be cooking in the oven. Said I do use scallion with my jerk pork. Now, the trick, all right, to your jerk pork is adding you some ginger. Ginger gives the jerk pork a little bit more spice.
Kick.
Yeah, kick. Don't add too much now, because if you do, whew, you're gonna be
Burn up yourself.
like my mom said, burn up yourself. So
Onions have me crying. Oh my goodness.
just add a good amount, because with your jerk pork, you're already going to be adding jerk seasoning. I use jerk marinara, so I'm about to put that on there right now. So
That's
that's
some garlic. I love a lot of garlic on my goat meat. There's as much garlic that you can. The garlic is good for you as well.
I finished seasoning up my jerk pork. I'm going to mix it, and that's the thing. When you're cooking your Jamaican, Caribbean, authentic food, you have to use your hands. You have to caress the chicken. You have to grab it up. You have to
Get down in it.
get down. You have to.
That's right.
You know what I'm trying to say? You can't just like. No, you have to get down in it. My hands are clean.
I
I did wash them. So, like I said, I'm going to mix up my meat, and I'm going to see if I need any more jerk seasoning on it. And if not, it's good to go. So I'm about to start on my fried chicken. Now, it took me a long time to learn how to make good fried chicken. And I finally learned how to make the bomb.com fried chicken. So I found a recipe off of YouTube. See, this is why I love YouTube. This is why I'm on YouTube, because I'll be helping people out. And I'm trying to help y'all out. Okay? So I found this recipe on YouTube, and I like the recipe. The chicken tastes bomb. But the way I'm going to cook it, I'm going to kind of put a Jamaican tint onto it, and you guys will see that in the morning when I cook it. But right now I'm going to show you how I season my chicken, and let's get into it. I'm going to start seasoning. Like I said, I always use garlic, so there's no questions.
We use a powdered garlic and the regular garlic as well. Season inside of the chicken to make sure it's nice and soak inside.
I'm gonna do garlic herb too. Just a little. Black pepper.
We're using the chicken Maggi season.
And last but not least, some sazon. Just one pack. I usually don't use it, but only with fried chicken. I know my mom's like,
You
no.
don't like salt.
But I'm telling you, listen, it works. Well, I'm going to be adding some buttermilk into the chicken. So, like I said, you can just, you know, add a good amount of what you think is right.
I cut up a lot of onions because I like to stuff it inside the chicken belly. Yes.
So I'm going to add 1 egg.
And add some sweet pepper.
As you guys can see, when you mix it, it turns into this color batter. So I'm done with my fried chicken. My mom, she's gonna finish her roast chicken.
I put browning in here because I don't want my chicken to be so white. Which, you know, when you cook it, you cover it up, and then after you're gonna take the top off and let it catch your color.
So, hey guys, so we finished seasoning up all of our meats, and this is the final product. Hey guys, so we are back with our cooking, and I'm so tired. But
so late.
yeah, she went to bed so late. But we're about to get right into the video. I'm gonna put this jerk pork in this pan. I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 450 and let that cook. And then I'm gonna start on some other meats. So let's get started.
Now I'm about to start my curry goat. I just put a little coconut oil in the pot and some garlic. I'm gonna put a little curry just to burn it a little bit. I'm doing it the way my grandma teach me. Now we're going to throw our goat meat in the pot. I'm going to cover it down and let it cook very slow. I like my goat meat to cook slow. For like 2 hours, and then I'm going to keep on checking it.
Hey guys, so now we're about to start with our roast chicken. We're going to put it in our baking pan and we're going to let that cook for about 2 hours. And yeah, let's get started.
Gonna keep on checking it now.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep checking the chicken over time. Every food that you cook in the oven, on the stove, doesn't matter. You're gonna check it over time to make sure there's a need to be, you know, like add some more seasoning, or does need this or needs that. So you're always gonna watch your food over time.
We have to ox it out, and I'm gonna blend it when I'm finished.
So right here, my mom is
Juicing
the coconut so she can put it in the rice and peas.
In the peas for it to cook now.
So she's just straining it.
Hot milk inside the peas. They cook now. And I'm gonna season it with the thyme. And we have to put our scotch bonnet pepper in it as well. And the scallion. I'm just going to use my hand and just break it up like that. My mother's style. She always do it like this. So you simmer and cook down. Just a little bit.
So thank you guys for watching again. I really appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe. Like I said, I can't ask you guys for anything else more to do but comment, like, and subscribe. I love you guys. Let's grow this YouTube channel big, and stay tuned for the next video.
Good
Bye.
Jamaican food. Yeah, man.